Welcome to my channel, my showbiz corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Project mo, ha? Oh, yabang tatay ko. SB na nag-cut out ka pa! Nag-cut out. Oh, pak!
Grabe si
Ilagay niya pa lang paka 4. Oh, cut out ng tatay ko yan.
Speaker lang ang kukunin mo doon.
Ganda lang gawa
Oh, photo card. Oh.
Akin na yung lagayan na.
Oh, lagyan ko ang picture mo.
Picture.
Oh, dadagdag kita. SB 1936 ka.
Wala pa, binawak pa, binayad
Speaker lang naman
Oh,
kukunin.
binatak lang yung ano eh.
Alin?
Pakalala lang nila.
Oy, teka lang, in-identify kayo ni tatay. Justin. Tama ba? Justin.
Oo.
Ken. Stel. O, sino yon? Pablo. Oho. Josh. Ang galing naman. Ang galing naman ta.
Galing na tatay
Galing
Picture ko.
Oh, picture.
Dapat sana mga picture ko lagi dito eh.
Oh, picture nino. Picture mo?
Mga bata nyo,
Isasama. Gagawin niya kasama ng pamilya.
ay may pa naman dyan eh. Ito pa oh.
Oh, ayun pa daw.
Iba naman lagay na siya, mga picture lang. Mukha.
Oh, yan. O, diba? Oh, cut out niya yan. Cut out niya. Oh, yan. Galing Very good Kabisado
Kabisado din Kapatid din yung mukha na-recognize.
POV My Lola is a fan of SB19 and tries to sing the Gento song.
Is it getting hot in here? Woo! Shall we do it again? Really? One more? Wow. Did you guys feel that? I said, did you guys feel that? Was it hot? Was it hot? I feel cold right now. What should I do? Maybe we should, let's song. No, I want you. No, I really like Stas outfit today. What? I really like Stas outfit today. Oh, yeah. What do you mean? Like always, I'm always like this. Show them. Don't you think you deserve to flex a little bit? What? I mean, what? You deserve to flex a little bit. Your body, your outfit. That's right. That's right.
Speaking of outfit, someone there's wearing the same costume.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
I think sir, you should try dancing I Want to.
Earlier you were talking, now you will show them something different. Something different now. Gusto mo yan eh. Okay.
For the kids out there who are below 18, please closer. Okay.
May gagawin ba akong masama?
I'm just...
Do you want us to give you music or anything?
Anything?
Guys, sing with us, okay? Sing with us, okay? I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. I wanna fall on my knees. Never you find me on Masakit bumigay yung tuhod, masakit. That's right, okay. Let's move on and forget about that, okay? Okay, so... Last one. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. What was that? Thank you so much, Washington. That wasn't just about us, it's about you and the connection we made together. And we really love the energy and of course the love and the support that you've always shown us from the past years until now. Thank you so much, 18. And I just wanted to say that SB19 and 18 ay forever iisa.
So I have a question for you guys. 18! Where you at?